everybody. Today I have a little cranky pants. He has not gotten any teeth in yet. He's almost 9 months old. But if I put him down, he starts crying. And he's just putting everything in his mouth. He's biting on stuff, and so I know for sure that he's teething. He just keeps grabbing at his mouth. And yeah, I've tried the chew toys, like the cold pack stuff. I've tried giving them little teething snacks. He's just, when they're teething, there's nothing to really help. I mean, Tylenol and the regular teething stuff, but the thing that really helps him is to walk outside and look at the trees. And of course, Mommy's holding him, so that's what he's always wanting right now. But he loves the leaves and the trees. See? And it just calms him right down to be outside. I think it's sweet. I love to be outside. You like the leaves? Just so peaceful. And we were inside, and I was trying to relax for a minute, and sat there for about 5 minutes. Realized he wasn't gonna stop crying. No, we're gonna stop crying. And so I just came out here, and now we're as chill as we can be, holding on to some leaves and just looking around. Yeah, beautiful trees. You just love it out here. I know. No. I love you, little stinker. Oh, you got a leaf. Just don't eat it. You're looking at it. You're gonna play with it. Look at all that drool. He's really focused on that leaf. Yeah. Teething so hard. Look at those leaves. Wow. Mm-hmm.